Well, hello Menai families and students. Warm welcome to any new students coming to the school this year. It's Mr. Middleton. I'm the head teacher of creative and performing arts at Menai High School. I hope you're all having a relaxing holiday. Happy New Year, and hope you had a wonderful Christmas. All right, I'm going to talk about something very exciting that we're introducing into the art rooms at Menai High School this year in 2023, and that is the introduction of visual arts kits for every student. So let's jump in and have a look at what you get and who they're for. Okay, the first one is the Junior Visual Arts Kit. You'll purchase this in Year 7. So we're asking every Year 7 student to purchase one of these. These are $25 and they are excellent value. We've put these together ourselves. We haven't bought them pre-done. We've bought all the materials in, ordered them at our substantial discount prices that we get, and then we're passing those discounts on to all the families. So let's just have a look at what you get. You get, we'll break it down, you get a calico bag with rope handles. They drawstring really nicely, come together. They're really quite sturdy, and students will easily be able to fit these into their bags and take them home and take them on excursions and things like that. You also get your A4 process diary, which we ask every student to get. They're 120 pages, so don't go out shopping. Everything's here. You just go to the office and pay for these, and you're issued with this. So this is the A4 process diary. We'll turn it that way. You also get a full set of chroma acrylic paints. These are the same quality paints we have in the classroom in big bottles, but you can now take these home when you need to finish off work and work on projects, and we can move around classrooms and things like that, and everyone's got their own gear. You also get a really nice plastic eraser. You get two good quality drawing pencils. One's a 2B, one's a 4B, so you get a dark tone and a mid-tone, a black art line pen, and a really nice set of brushes. That's $25. And it represents excellent value. And what it means is that every single student will start the year with the same equipment. So when we say get out your 2B drawing pencil, we know you've all got one, okay? So don't rush out and buy any equipment. Everything's here, and it's on the school information booklet. We pay for these at the front office, and then come up to the art room, show your teacher your receipt, we'll mark you off, and we'll hand these out. So we're asking every new Year 7 student to buy one of these kits, and it will last you for 2 years, okay? All right, let's have a look at the senior kit. The senior kit's for Year 9 elective students and Year 11 elective students. Again, they are going to last 2 years. So if you're picking up art this year in Year 9, this will last you into Year 10, and then you'll buy another one in Year 11 and it'll take you through to Year 12. These are $35. So they're the same as the other kits, the same bag, it's the same calico bag, same size, and you get the same 2B and 4B pencil, the same plastic eraser, the same art line pen, and these really nice, you get round and flat brushes, and they're really nice quality little brushes. The difference is you get a full set of paints, so you get your black and your white, but now you get your warm and cool yellow, your warm and cool red, and your warm and cool blue, and you get a yellow oxide and a red ochre brown. So that's a very standard traditional painting set of painting colours. These are amazing. We got these for an amazing price, so they're really good. Okay, and then we're asking you to get, we've picked up these larger process diaries for our Year 9s, 10s, 11 and 12s. So we call these 11 by 14. They're a little bit larger than the A4, and they're just the perfect size for our senior students, 120 pages. It just enables us to go out on excursions, and again, everyone will have the same equipment, and we will all just have our own art kits, and we'll be able to go out in the field and do work and paint and draw, and most importantly, you'll be able to work on projects at home for homework, finish things off. So these are $35, okay? So the junior kit is $25 and the senior kit is $35. Years 7 and 8, Years 9, 10, 11 and 12. We've purchased enough at the moment for Year 7 to purchase one of these each, for our Year 9 elective classes to purchase one of these larger kits each, and our Year 11 elective students will also purchase one of these each. We will have a few extra, and so if you're in Year 10 or you're in Year 12 or 8 and you would like to get one, by all means come and talk to us. But we're asking that every student in Year 7, 9 and 11 pick up these kits, okay? Because it'll just ensure that everybody's got the same equipment and everyone's equipment is packed away nicely, and it's yours to keep. All right. Okay, looking forward to seeing you this year. We're going to have a great year of creativity and making and performing. All right, all the best. See you in February.